guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 8 important things in your home we may forget to clean. And before I start today's video, please subscribe to Joy of Being a Homemaker and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any notification whenever I upload a video. The first thing is the dryer. We use the dryer probably every day, but we neglect to clean the dryer lint filter. Yes, we may remove the lint regularly, but we never clean the filter. Make sure you clean the filter regularly. Believe me, from the day I started doing this, my clothes started smelling fresh and clean. The first thing I do is clean the top part with Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose cleaner. And then take out the lint filter and remove all the lint and soak the filter in hot soapy water for about 20 minutes. And then scrub the filter using a soft toothbrush and let it air dry. Make sure you dry the filter completely. The second one is pillows. We use these every day. Lots of sweat, heat and dirt can build up. It is very important to clean them as regularly as possible. And before cleaning, make sure to read your care label on the pillow. I clean my pillows with half a cup of bleach and baking soda, and I run them on a warm cycle. And for drying them, I use the dryer balls with tea tree essential oil. Next, moving on to washing machine. Of course, we have to clean the machine that cleans our clothes. It is really simple. All you need is a cup of baking soda and a cup of cleaning vinegar and run it on a hot cycle. And again, I clean the top part with Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose cleaner and a dish rag. And the next thing is the dishwasher. Dishwasher needs to be cleaned very often, at least for every 15 days. Dishwasher has this filter in the bottom that catches all the dirt and food particles. Take the filter off and clean it with a brush and soap. Using a brush, scrub off all the food particles that got stuck and then let it dry in the sun. And to clean the interior, take a cup of cleaning vinegar and place it in the top rack. And I also use a dish pot to clean it. The next thing is the dish drying mats. I use these on regular basis. The water that drains from the dishes and the dirt from the vegetables when I dry them accumulates. So cleaning them is very important. I throw all the mats into the machine and I use half a cup of my laundry detergent to clean them. After that, I dry them in the sun. I like to dry my things under sun because the sunlight kills all the bacteria. The next thing is cutting boards. Wooden cutting boards are durable when you take really a good care of them. Cleaning them regularly is very important. I use lemon and salt to clean them. And finally, I rub them with olive oil and I let them dry in the sun. The next thing is cleaning the trash cans. Cleaning the trash can is very obvious. I make sure I clean my trash can every 4 to 5 days. We have our trash pickup days from Sunday to Thursday. So on every Thursday evening, I make sure I clean all my trash cans in my house with soap and water. And after that, I dry them in the sun. And the final thing is switchboards, knobs and handles. We overlook all these. We need to clean these often. In our house, we don't like to use paper, so I keep different washcloths for everything. So what I do is I grab a washcloth, spray the knobs with Mrs. Meyer's spray, and I clean them with a washcloth. Thank you all for watching. If you like my video, please give it a like and please don't forget to subscribe.